Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim, and this is the foam roller pec stretch. So what you need is a long foam roller. I'm going to lie on top of it, allowing my tailbone and my head to both be on the foam roller. I'm going to take my hands straight up to the side to begin with. And all I'm going to do is just breathe and relax. So I'm trying to let my hands just fall towards the ground. So with every breath out, I try to drop my hands a little bit farther. And then you can work different fibers of the pec muscle by raising your arms a little bit farther overhead. And same thing, just let your hands drop with every breath out.